Serpstat is a real Swiss Army knife when it comes to automating SEO processes. It has 5 different modules, each with its own purpose: rank tracking, backlink analysis, keyword research, site audit, and competitor research. Serpstat is the only platform you need to keep track of your projects and view their history and analytics reports. Serpstat is a tool that every digital marketer needs: SEO specialists and analytics experts, PPC specialists, content managers, and digital marketers. If you consider yourself a professional in one of those fields, you need Serpstat. And here's why you need it. It will save you time. It takes just a few minutes to accomplish a day's worth of work with Serpstat. You'll get unique reports and data on your projects that will tell you how efficient your marketing is. You'll learn a lot of new things about your competitors and your niche. Information provided by Serpstat gives you a real competitive edge. Thousands of professionals all over the world already use Serpstat, including SEO and digital marketing agencies of all scales, in-house teams of various projects from large to small, freelancers, and those who work on their own projects. Serpstat is the best SEO tool you can get right now. Don't take our word for it, look at the facts. Our number of users has doubled over the last year. We are listed as the top SEO tool on ProductHunt, a world-known website dedicated to startups. We have just started our global expansion and already have the biggest keyword research databases for many regions. We collect data 24 hours a day, every day, which allows us to add more and more regions to Serpstat. We're working hard to become the only tool you'll ever need for SEO and digital marketing. Join now and start making your job easier and more efficient with Serpstat. Serpstat, all-in-one SEO platform.